Maya from Cure Maya YouTube, here with
Paige from Healing Page Official.
And today we're doing a feathered waterfall braid tutorial.
So let's get started.
So first you're going to start off by parting the hair really however you want. And so we just have hers kind of like off to the side. So you're going to start off by just taking a little section from the front of her head, and split it into 3 sections. So like 3. Then you're going to do 3 regular braid stitches. So you're going to do the right over the middle, the left over the middle, and the right over the middle one more time. And then you're going to lace braid it, so that means you're only going to add hair to the top strand, which is this one. So you're going to take a tiny section, adding it into that one, and crossing it over. And before you cross over this bottom strand, you're going to just take a tiny section and just take it out. And then after you do that, you're just going to cross it over. And so again, with the top strand, you're just going to add in a small section, cross it over, feather it out, and then cross it over. And then you're just going to continue this all the way down. So just lace and then feather. So now I'm done my last strand, so this is the last feather piece. I'm just crossing it over, and then once you get to the end, you just braid it all the way down. After you're done that, you're just going to secure it with a small zip. And then you let go, and it's finished.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment future video ideas down below.
And tomorrow, the video to continue this braid will be posted on Healing Page Official, so check that out. See you next week. Bye!